Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google and signing into the account that manages your business profile. You must confirm you own or manage that profile, because only managers can create review links. Once signed in, open the profile and make sure the business name, address, and category are accurate. This prevents wrong listing selection. Now navigate to the profile's public short name or the info section to prepare the place ID or short name used in the next step. Next, locate the review link. If you set a short name, build the URL as https://g page/yourshortname/review. This immediately opens the review dialog when opened. If you need a place ID, use the place ID tool within Google Maps platform, insert the ID into the standard review URL, and verify it points to your listing. Once done, always test the link in an incognito window to ensure it prompts the review pop-up, rather than taking users to a general. Finally, paste your verified review URL into any QR code generator and choose a static, high-resolution output like PNG or SVG for print. Make sure to include a short call to action nearby so customers know it's a review link. Once created, scan the QR with multiple devices to confirm it opens the review dialog and preselects the correct listing. If the code goes to the wrong place, regenerate using the accurate short name or place ID and reprint only after retesting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.